Number 1, lot F120 is a 1968 Chevrolet C10 custom pickup with a 454 with 465 horsepower V8, automatic transmission, and frame-off restoration. And it's sold for $82,500 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read off the Mecum website. Odometer reads 319 miles. And the highlights are frame-off restoration, two-tone anniversary gold metallic and adobe beige paint, houndstooth interior, LS7 454 465 horsepower crate engine, Holley dual feed 4-barrel carburetor, polished Edelbrock Performer air gap intake, Hooker headers, MSD digital 6AL ignition with GM HEI distributor, chrome air cleaner and valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes, Billet Specialties front runner system, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, professionally built Turbo 400 transmission, chrome tilt steering column with billet steering wheel, factory tachometer and gauges, auto sound radio with custom kick panel speakers, padded dash, billet dash trim, upgraded shoulder harness seatbelts, Flowmaster dual exhaust, factory rear axle with billet cover and 355 limited slip differential, custom fuel tank, 325 by 35 ZR22 rear, and 265 by 35 ZR22 front tires. New Weld Laguna wheels, LED taillights. And she was a beauty. That's for sure. I can see why she was the #1 seller. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.